anniversary, Fred. I'm here in Rome. And look at that. Beautiful view of the Colosseum. Truly one of the world's greatest structures. And the best thing is, that view is from my room. I'm staying here in Rome at the Hotel Palazzo Manfredi. And as you can see, we have a beautiful view of the Colosseum right out our window. This is one of the hotel's master double rooms. Master is their category for rooms that face the Colosseum. The hotel has a courtyard. Some of the rooms face the courtyard, and then some of the rooms face this park on the right-hand side. So now that I've showed you the best feature of the room, let me give you a tour of room 43 here at Palazzo Manfredi, which is a Relais and Chateau property. And if you don't know, Relais and Chateau is a wonderful brand of luxury hotels around the world, and they have individual hotel properties that are part of their group. So instead of all the hotels being a Hilton or Intercontinental or Ritz-Carlton or something like that, all the hotels are individually branded and have their own identities, but they're all part of this luxury company that manages them and handles reservations and things like that. Okay, so again, this is room 43 here at Palazzo Manfredi. So we start with this very cool bed with the faux fur bedspread there. And yes, if you stay here in room 43 at Palazzo Manfredi, then as you can see, you can stare at the Colosseum from the bed. That's pretty cool. Colosseum views from the bed. So this hotel is very modern and stylish. I love the cool, funky design and that kind of thing. So we look out on the little square on this side here. Some restaurants surrounding the Colosseum. Over here we have a mini bar. And something I just noticed, they have this book of chefs. And I'm not sure if they're part of a group or something like that, but it's a lot of great chefs. And I noticed my friend Chef Fabio from Hotel Eden, and his recipe is in here as well. So we have these cool little nightstands on either side of the bed. We have a little sound link thing there. On this side, this whole wall has drapes, and you have some storage space over here. The drapes close off this whole wall, and then you have space for your luggage here, and then a mirror. Hello. The one thing that I noticed that this room doesn't have is it doesn't have a work desk. So you've got a little table and chairs by the window there, but there's not really a space to work. So this is a room that's perfect for vacationing and enjoying your time in Rome. So as I was saying, we have this nice little seating area by the window with that incredible view, can't stop looking at it, of the Colosseum right out there. The hotel was kind enough to welcome me with some Prosecco, some macaroons, and some other pastries, and I'm enjoying them now as I watch kind of late afternoon rush hour here in Rome. It's about 6 p.m. So we got a nice flat screen TV with Sky digital satellite service with all kinds of channels, and nice little design, nice little art pieces and things like that. Then this is a little storage area in there. And then we have this very cool bathroom, very, very stylish, with this cool marble sink. We have a very cool toilet and bidet. If I shut the door, and this is glass, have kind of a display cabinet with our towels and amenities and a hair dryer. Something necessary here in Rome, especially during the winter, is a heated towel rack. This keeps your towels nice and warm. As you can see, the amenities here are acqua di Parma. And look at this stand-up shower here. We got some blue lights down there. Big shower. And I love this cool design of the fixtures there, that white. And something very cool, I am now standing in the shower. And you can take a shower as you stare out at the Colosseum. Pretty cool. So it has little blinds on the windows so that you can shut those. That way people can't watch you take a shower. And then this is the shower door that closes there. Very cool. And I like the kind of concrete walls that match the floor in here. So very, very cool, stylish Italian bathroom here at room 43, Palazzo Manfredi in Rome. And that concludes the tour. Something else cool that I noticed is this chandelier thing when the wind blows. It's kind of like wind chimes. So that concludes the tour. Palazzo Manfredi here in Rome, a relay and chateau property, very beautiful. And thanks for visiting room 43 with me. And we'll end where we started, looking out on the Colosseum. So I wanted to show you the breakfast buffet here in Aroma, the restaurant here at the